down in Miami, Florida. I've had my business for almost 17 years now, and I currently have 4 MasterCrafts, all with thrusters, and I absolutely love them. They work really well. We're able to maneuver the boats in the marina. We're in a really tight marina, so it's tough to park the boats. The thruster helps a lot with that. It's also really nice for picking people up once they fall. It's really easy to maneuver the back of the boat away from the rider so we don't get them anywhere near the back of the boat. And then for wake surfing, it's especially good for when we're trying to set up a new rider to ride for the first time. We can keep that rider on the side of the boat just with a little touch of our hand, so it works really well.